Tell me, why setup?
Actually, if you are going to have a setup violation, you will fix it with gate upsizing and several methods.
Very good.
After that, for hold, we will get hold violation furthermore. So we will have setups like, if consider we are having a negative setup slack, and we will make it a positive setup slack of consider like 5 nanosecond. So hold slack will get further
More.
increased. But to fix hold slack, we just add buffers.
Very good answer. This is really the answer what industry expects. So you have to fix setup first, then hold. Though there are steps where after your CTS you will add hold buffers to fix the hold and then come back to setup, but this approach will help you gain the control over setup and hold, because initially if you go to fix the hold, the lesser margin for setup, you will have the lesser margin for setup. Though you might pull some setup margin, fixing that would be very difficult, right? See, adding a buffer is easy, removing a buffer and reattaching that will be a difficult task. Okay, if there is a cell, there is having a connection, if you connect both of the connection, it is fine. If you remove that cell, you need to still make the connection, right? So that is difficult. Reframe your resume based on the available job description. When I started to go for interviews, every interview I used to go and I used to learn everything, learn and go there. Anything where I lagged, I used to note down and prepare that evening or next day, anything like that. And keep your data updated, means yourself updated with the, as I said, knowledge, news, everything. So that will help. See, if you go for news and other things, you will gain more knowledge. Okay. Maintain your health. Whatever it be, maintain your 8 hours of sleep. Rest all you can adjust. Good food, sleep. Keep these two things. Avoid scrolling your mobile lot.
So how should be our everyday preparation?
One more thing, this is a good question. So if you have finished your tool access, you know what, once when you are starting with your tool, write the steps. Write the steps when you are working on tool. Now I have to load the design. So in my, this thing I will write it, I have written, to be frank, I have written in a notes what to do after all of that. So I try to memorize them, try to adapt one skill apart from the VLSI, so that it keeps you energized and awake apart from your skill. Then rest all you can manage. Get a bigger package. If you find me anywhere, get me a treat, okay?